Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install MOBOX Emulator on your Android device. This Android emulator will help you install all computer softwares, all the softwares that you can put on your computer. You can use them right on your phone. You can install games like GTA 5, FIFA. You can install softwares like Virtual DJ and mix videos right on your phone. Now, before we get started, if you are watching this video from YouTube, please make sure you subscribe, you comment anything that you want. Now, what you're going to do is go to any of your browser. Me, I'm going to use Chrome. In your search engine, just put MOBOX Emulator, then tap on it. Now, when you tap on it, it will bring you to this GitHub page. This is the official GitHub page. It is written Oleg goes to MOBOX. This is the creator of the emulator. Credit of course to him. Now, what you do is tap on it. When you tap on it, you will come to this page. When you come to this page, just scroll down until you see this word installation. What you're going to do is you're going to install this Termux 11 and input bridge. This input bridge will help you if you are playing games like GTA 5. It will act as the pad, whatever. But for my case, I'm not going to install GTA 5, but I just want to demonstrate, so I'm going to install this Termux and this Termux 11. In my case, I've already installed this. Now I will skip this part and then proceed to a different part. Now, after installing this Termux here, you copy this command. Yes, this command here, this command, you see it, you copy it, then you come to your phone and then search for Termux. This one, this Termux, not this Termux 11, this Termux, you tap on it. Now, when you tap on it for the first time, this is what it will bring. It will bring. Now, just paste the other link, the other command that you copied. Just paste it here. You long press, and then an option to paste will come. Then you paste, and then from your keyboard you press the enter key. You press enter. As you press enter, this repository will begin installing itself in the Termux that you have put on your phone. We give it time. We give it time for it to install. Yes, now from this point, as you can see, from this point, it is asking you installing Termux. Select an option. You can see here, select an option, install previous MOBOX with box whatever, and then install new MOBOX, this one. Now here you input 2, you put 2 and press enter. Then the manager will begin upgrading itself. As you can see, there's an upgrade going on here. Now at this point, you can see the updating and packing is already done. It is telling you to type a word MOBOX. Now what you do is you type MOBOX, then tap enter. Here you tap on OK, just tap on it. Now here your MOBOX is already installed. Tap on here, there is start. You can tap on this OK. Tap on OK. As you can see, our MOBOX emulator is opening up. Yeah, it is already being installed. It is now working perfectly. Let's turn to full screen.